Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can turn green messages on iPhone to blue messages. So for example, if you have your iMessage here on iPhone, then you are able to send a message, right? So there are like 3 reasons you have to make sure. First is you have to make sure if your iMessage is turned on or not. Go to settings and find your messages over here, and then you will turn this iMessage on. So for you to send a blue message, if you turned on with one, this is from your side, you done it. And the thing that you will make sure is check your network connection. If your Wi-Fi is not good, switch to cellular. If it's not good, switch to Wi-Fi. And then once you're done with your settings, right, so what you can do is if you go to your message, then the other thing that you have to make sure is the third thing is if the other person has also turned on the iMessage or not, or if that person is a iPhone user or not. For example, if you're sending a message to an non-iPhone user, and then that message will be sent as in green, not the blue. And if the person also uses iPhone, you both use iPhone, but the person have turned off that iMessage, then the message will be green. That person will receive green. You will also be able to see that green instead of blue. So from your devices are the settings you can make sure to send a blue message instead of green. So other person also have to make sure some of the measures and do the same that you did in your phone. So this is the issue and the solution for it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.